Hello everybody, welcome back to Modern Dentures. This is just going to be a quick video about this patient. So she's come in today, she's lost a tooth on her denture that we made her about 3 years ago. Denture's still looking really good, minimum amount of wear, and she's lost her upper left lateral, and so we just need to add that. So I've just done a small putty matrix impression material, so not a full mouth. Didn't do a lower impression because we capture that in the little putty matrix. So we will cast this up as a matrix on this side, and then obviously cast that as a normal model that side, and then this will come off and we'll be able to see where the bite is, etc. when we're adding the tooth. So it's a nice quick way of doing it. I think I've done a video before about how I do this, but the reason I wanted to show you this video was because of these clasps. So I've been doing these for years now and they work really well. I call them a double back S clasp. Essentially what would normally happen, the clasping area of this part, so you do the 2/3 and then the last third, so the clasp will be about this long, and this last bit is the bit that engages the undercut. However, what I do is we go up the tooth and then we double back into the undercut. The reason these work really well is because they are so long. You're extending the length of the clasp, and the longer the clasp, the more flex it's got. Therefore you get better retention. It's far easier to adjust a clasp like this. Just tweaking this bit, this last bit, is a lot easier than when the clasps are shorter. Far less likely that they're going to fracture under the stresses and things like that, so they really hold up over time. But another really good thing about this is there's no sharp points on there, and this is what I just noticed. So this one's going backwards and coming this way, however it's tucked in. It's rounded off. It doesn't go to a sharp point, but even so the denture's just here, so the cheek just sits on it nicely. So when you're taking it out of the mouth or putting it in the mouth, there's no chance of it catching into the patient's mouth, and you can see it even better on this side. So if you imagine I've just taken this impression and I've gone to take it out, there's a real risk with a traditional clasp when they're really sharp and pointed and they're facing forward that it's going to catch on their gum when you're removing it or when they're removing it. But with this one, because it doubles back like that, it's not going to catch either putting it in or taking it out. And by not putting the little pointy end on there, you're minimising it even further. Well, I hope you found that video useful. As I say, this denture's 3 years old, but I've been doing these clasps a lot longer than that. I get real good success with them, so I definitely think that it's something that you should think about trying for yourself. See how you get on with them, see if they work for you. For me, brilliant. It just makes it so much easier to attach them. And by the way, this denture was quite difficult to get out because even though she's been wearing it for 3 years, these clasps haven't changed. The retention's still there. I haven't had to adjust them to tighten it or anything like that. They just work really well. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.